They say not to put all your eggs in one basket, but everybody loves a one-stop shop. In today's world, ease and convenience are one of the biggest buying factors out there. Welcome to SPRO. Today we'll be introducing and breaking down the brand new line of door access control, the newest member to the SPRO family. Access control is needed in nearly every office, warehouse and public building in the country. Whether it's a new system or a current one that needs maintaining, it will never hurt to have this in your arsenal. And now that SPRO are introducing its own range, it's about time I explain what it can do. Today, we'll be covering controllers and readers. Controllers come in two kinds, 4-door one-way and 2-door two-way. Controllers take a DC 12V 5A power supply that will also power all the access control products from the SPRO brand. Network cables can span up to 100 meters when connecting a reader to a controller. For security reasons, doors are managed locally. On the system, doors are classified as areas. When the door is unlocked, a user is given access to that area. Doors are unlocked using fobs or keycards, which are assigned to people known as users. There are 6 kinds of users available on the system. These are a normal user who only has access during approved hours, a VIP user who has access 24 hours a day, a guest user whose card can be used for a set amount of time or a set number of uses, a patrol user for doing the rounds where someone cannot open a door but scanning their keycard or fob registers they've been to a specific location, a custom user that can, for example, extend the duration a door stays unlocked for, and finally, a blocked user, for if anyone no longer needs access to their card. Users and their cards can also be given specific roles and responsibilities like first card unlock. This designates a user to be the first person to open the door each day. If anybody else scans their card before them, it simply won't open. Multi-card unlock. Multiple users need to scan their cards in succession to open the door, ideal for safes and anywhere where confidential information is stored. And users aren't the only thing with specific roles. Doors can have their own functions too. Tailgating is when you pass through a door, it means you can't go back through it. Interlock, or airlock as it's commonly known, means you have to wait for one door to close before you can open the next one. And the emergency door release permanently unlocks the door until it's reset. Now that's a lot of options, I know, but we're not going to complicate things managing these doors. The last thing you need is to spend God knows how long learning new software. So in good old SPRO fashion, we've made it so the entire system is run off the smart PSS Lite software, the desktop system you use every day for your SPRO CCTV. In the event of a fire, if you're connected to a fire panel, all the doors unlock and then you can reset the alarm from Smart PSS. You get up to 64 doors completely license free per location. Perfect for any small or medium-sized jobs. And of course, it wouldn't be an SPRO product without the ability to link it to your CCTV. With Smart PSS Lite having the ability to link cameras to doors. With the introduction of SPRO Access Control, we're becoming a one-stop shop for everything security. To keep you and your loved ones safe, subscribe and turn on notifications. If you need some additional information, datasheets are available at www.sproccctv.com, or you can leave your questions in the comments.